You're charged with the offense of evading arrest, detention with a vehicle. That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Court is going to call 2023 CR 2208W, State of Texas versus Kalin, Rutton. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
Defense?
Kalin for Ms. Rutton.
And are you Ms. Rutton? Counsel, have you received all of the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Judge. She is waiving an indictment, but I did have a chance to go over the new case police report with her.
All right, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. All right, Ms. Rutton, I'm going to show you what's entitled. Could everyone please whisper in the box? I'm going to show you what's entitled Waiver of Indictment, Reading of Information and Rights on Article 1.051 and 26.03 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? Did you understand you have a right to have this case taken before a grand jury? The grand jury will make a decision on whether or not to indict. Did you understand? Did you also understand your attorney has certain rights, namely 2 days from the presentation of the information to review everything and 10 days from the presentation of the information to prepare for trial? Did you understand? Yes. Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights? Yes. And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Yes. Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived indictment, reading of information and rights on Article 1.051 and 26.03 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Next, I'm showing you what's entitled Information. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the information?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the information as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense? Okay, you guys are too loud in the box. Did you understand you're charged with the offense of? Okay. Showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign? Oh, just walk around.
Okay. Yeah.
I mean, is your arm really that long?
I don't know.
Okay. Did you understand you're charged with the offense of evading arrest, detention with a vehicle? That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Yes. Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Rutton, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea? No. Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement? No. Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? Are you a U.S. citizen? Yes. Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that page with your attorney? Did you understand it? Yes. According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the state jail facility. In the prison. There's a $1,500 fine. There are no applications. This will run concurrent with cause number 2022 CR 3148. State will take in consideration NITMAG number 700935, County Court 8, cause number 703219. There's to be restitution to the Leon Valley Police Department, Edmundo Vasquez, Vazquez, Camaria Flowers, Kamaria. Did you understand that to be the plea? Yes. Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you the paragraph entitled Waiver of Appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. See exhibit number 1 with all this attachments.
No objection.
Showing you what's entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will find you guilty or proceeding with sentencing.
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, we just, you asked that you follow the recommendation from the state. She's ready to move forward with it, serve her time, and take responsibility for her actions.
All right, the court will sentence you to 2 years in the prison, $1,500 fine, time in writing to run concurrent. This will be concurrent with 2022 CR 3148. Take in consideration night mag number 700935, County Court 8 cause number 703219, restitution to the Leon Valley Police Department, Edmundo, EDMUNDO, Vasquez, VAZQUEZ. And Cameria Flowers, KAMARIA Flowers. Give you credit for any time served. Is there anything else from either side with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
And because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, next we're going to proceed. And cause number 2022 CR 3148. I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and First Amendment Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Kayla Ann Rutton who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 3148 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram on September 13, 2022 for a period of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes.
State?
Yes, Your Honor. Violated condition number 4, in Durham County, Texas, defendant Kayla and Rutton. The defendant failed to report to the supervision officer as directed in the month of October 2022 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Your Honor, we waive the remaining violated conditions.
Any objection?
No objection.
All right. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violations condition number 4? Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there an agreement?
Yes, there is, Your Honor. It is adjudicate guilt and revoke the individual for probation, transfer to 180 days in the state jail facility.
All right. Is that the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. it is.
Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, please, Judge.
Probation, did she pay the restitution of $57? All right, I'm going to order the restitution of $57. And that's for the laboratory testing. All right, you're asking me to follow this agreement? And you are waiving your right to appeal, correct? All right, the court will follow your agreement, grant the motion, find you guilty, not grant you community supervision, sentence you to 180 days in the state jail facility. Give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 2208W. There should be restitution of $57 to the Bexar County Criminal Investigative Lab for drug testing. Going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Good luck to you. You need to do better. Otherwise, you're going to be back and forth at the jail and at the prison. Okay? All right, good luck.
Here's the full wrap-up. In State of Texas versus Kalin, Kayla Rutton, the court handled two connected matters back-to-back first. In 2023 CR 2208W, she faced evading arrest detention with a vehicle, a third-degree felony with a punishment, range of 2 to 10 years and up to a $10,000 fine. She waived indictment and proceeded by information, then entered the plea agreement, 2 years in prison, a $1,500 fine, no applications, and the sentence was ordered concurrent with 2022 CR 3148, plus restitution listed to the Leon Valley Police Department and named individuals. Immediately after, the court moved to 2022 CR 3148, a deferred adjudication case for possession of a controlled substance, PG 11 gram, where she pleaded true to a reporting violation. The plea allowed the court to adjudicate guilt, deny further supervision, and impose 180 days in a state jail facility. Also concurrent, along with $57 restitution for lab testing. Big takeaway: waiving indictment speeds the case up, waiving appeal locks the deal down, and probation violations, especially misreporting, can flip a deferred case into real custody fast. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.